Bala's Journal.
Hi guys, welcome back to Bala's Journal. Today I will be showing you guys how to draw a Warli art stick figure of how they carried pots in the olden days. Let's get started. First, draw two sleeping lines. So basically it's an X. Join the top and the bottom. Now on the top, we are going to draw a circle for the face. Now let's draw the arms. Going to draw them like a half triangle. Now let's draw the legs. So draw a big stick. And then draw 3 lines like this. Draw an oval shape. And draw this circle attached to the oval. Now let's color. So for the pot, I'm using brown. Now let's color the dress. So for the bottom, I'm using blue-green. Then for the top, I'm using yellow. Face, I'm using brown. This is a Warli tribal art. Nowadays, people use it for house designs and temple designs, also dress designs, and sometimes also book covers. And this is tribal Warli art. This is very easy to draw. We just use circles and triangles, and there are many more things you guys can draw, and this is very easy to draw. Thank you.